I end up losing from my money nearly 200,000 euro, and I borrow 50,000 euro from people that they was threatening me that I have to give them back the money, and I didn't have money to give them back. I sold my car, and it was a drama. It was a disaster. I even sold my car to buy food for the dogs. They always had food for food. The dog might always had food to eat, and they was always happy. But I was in a terrible condition. I suffered a lot, but I didn't give up. So I ended up. My family was taking me to the psychologist to find out if I am normal in my mind with this kind of life that I did. So of course the psychologists say that is nothing wrong with me. And anyway, it was a lot of drama, and for a long time, I was trying to survive